Good morning students. This video session is for class 2nd students. Subject Mathematics. Term 2. Chapter number 2. The name of the chapter is Division. This is our lecture number 2. Today's topic is Division as repeated subtraction. So beta, today we will learn about division as repeated subtraction. You have learned डिवीजन एज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है ना, हमने बेटा डिवीजन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के थ्रू लर्न किया था. नाउ वी विल लर्न डिवीजन बाय रिपीटेड सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो लेट्स सी विद एग्जांपल्स. ओके, I mean example number 1, it is given division as repeated subtraction. So beta, let's start. There is a tray, okay, and in this tray there are some laddus. So let's count how many laddus are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So beta, there are 12 laddus in this tray. Okay, and now we have to divide 3 laddus in plates. Okay, so let's start. Put 3 laddus in a plate. हम क्या करेंगे बेटा, इन 12 laddus में से 3 laddus जो हैं वो एक plate में रखेंगे. So here is a plate and here we have kept 3 laddus, 1, 2 and 3. So what we will do, because this is the question division as repeated subtraction, तो हम क्या करेंगे, इस 12 laddus में से 3 laddus minus कर देंगे. So 12 minus 3 and that is equal to dash. So beta, keep 12 in your mind and 3 on your fingers. So let's start backward counting. 11, 10, 9. So now we have 9 laddus. Okay, and now we will put 3 laddus again in another plate. Okay, so here is another plate. Now we have kept 3 laddus here, 1, 2 and 3. So how many laddus are left? So we have 9 laddus here. So 9 minus 3. Okay, so now keep 9 in your mind and 3 on your fingers. Let's start backward counting. 8, 7, 6. So we will write 6 here. So how many laddus are left with us now? That is 6. Now put 3 laddus again in another plate. Okay beta. So here we have plate and we have 3 laddus here. So 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Okay. Now we have left 3 laddus. We will put these 3 laddus in another plate like this. Okay, so 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so beta, we have repeatedly subtracted 3 from 12. हमने बार बार 3 माइनस किया, किसमें से, 12 में से. पहले 12 में से हमने 3 माइनस किया. We have left 9, then 9 minus 3, 6, 6 minus 3, 3 and 3 minus 3, 0. ठीक है, बार बार हमने 3 माइनस किया और कब तक माइनस करना है, जब तक हमारे पास 0 नहीं आ जाता. ओके, सो हाउ मेनी टाइम्स वी हैव सब्ट्रैक्टेड 3 फ्रॉम 12, दैट इज इक्वल टू 4 टाइम्स. ठीक है, हमने कितनी बार सब्ट्रैक्ट किया बेटा, 3, 4 टाइम्स. और वी कैन से दैट 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Okay beta. Now we will do with another example number 2, divide by repeated subtraction. So here in example number this, 28 divided by 7 is equal to dash. ठीक है, हमें यहाँ पर divide करना है बेटा by repeated subtraction. So how we will do? First of all we will write 28. Okay, and then minus 7. हम 28 में से 7 बार बार माइनस करेंगे, रिपीट करना है हमें सब्ट्रैक्शन क्योंकि. So 28 minus 7. So keep 28 in your mind and 7 on your fingers. So let's start backward counting. 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. So we will write here 21. Now we will keep this 21 here, okay, by this arrow. 21 we will write here. Now we will again subtract 7 from 21. अब हम 7 किसमें से subtract करेंगे? 21 में से, क्योंकि हमारे पास 21 left over part आया था. Okay, now keep 21 in your mind and 7 on your fingers. Now again we have to speak backward counting. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. So we will write 14 here. Okay. Now we will write this 14 here. Now we will subtract 7 from 14. So keep 14 in your mind and 7 on your fingers. So let's start speaking backward counting. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So we will write 7 here. Now 7 minus 7. Yes. Now 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay. So how many times we have subtracted 7? That is 1 time, 2 time, 3 time and 4 times. So how many times we have subtracted 7? That is 4 times. So we will write 4 here. Okay. Or in another way, if we will speak the table of 7, ठीक है, यहाँ पर अगर हम 7 की टेबल बोलेंगे तो 28 कौन से नंबर पे आएगा बेटा? लेट्स स्टार्ट का 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28. तो हमारा ऐसे करने से भी आंसर 4 आएगा और रिपीटेड सब्ट्रैक्शन करने से भी आंसर क्या आया बेटा? 4. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ एग्जांपल नंबर 3. Divide by repeated subtraction. So here in this we have to subtract 27 divided by 9 is equal to dash. Okay. So beta, here we have to start from 27 minus 9. So keep 27 in your mind and 9 on your fingers. Let's start backward counting. 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18. So we will write 18 here. Now we have to subtract 9 from 18. So we will write 18 here and we will subtract 9 from this. So keep 18 in your mind and 9 on your fingers. Let's start backward counting. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So we will write 9 here. Now 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, so how many times we have subtracted 9? 1, 2, 3. So 3 times we have subtracted 9. So our answer is 3. Understood बेटा? और 9 की टेबल में अगर हम बोलेंगे 27 कौन से नंबर पे आता है? 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27. So 3 is our answer. Okay. Now divide by repeated subtraction of page number 31. So today beta we will do the sums of page number 31. In A part it is given that 20 divided by 5 is equal to dash. तो यहाँ पर बेटा हमें repeated subtraction के through ये पता करना है कि 20 divided by 5 is equal to dash. So let's start. So here first of all we will subtract 5 from 20. Okay. So here we will write 20 minus 5 is equal to dash. So first of all keep 20 in your mind and 5 on your fingers. Now we have to speak the backward counting. So let's start. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. So we will write 15 here. Okay. Now we have to subtract 5 from 15. अब हमारा 5 जो है वो 15 में से माइनस होगा बेटा, जो हमारा आंसर आया है. सो 15 माइनस 5, यहाँ पे हम 15 लिखेंगे, माइनस 5 is equal to dash. So keep 15 in your mind and 5 on your fingers. Let's start backward counting again. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. So we will write 10 here. Now we have to subtract 5 from 10. ठीक है, जो हमारा आंसर आता जाता है उसी में से हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. So 10 minus 5 is equal to dash. Okay, so 10 minus 5. So keep 10 in your mind and 5 on your fingers. Let's start backward counting. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So we will write 5 here. Now we have to subtract 5 from 5. So we will write here 5 minus 5 is equal to dash, and that is equal to 0. So how many times we have subtracted 5? That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. So we will write 4 here. So 4 is our answer. Understood बेटा? और अगर हम 5 की टेबल में देखें तो 20 कौन से नंबर पे आता है? 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. तो फोर्थ नंबर पे आता है. सो 4 इज आवर आंसर. बट जब हमें ये गिवन हो कि डिवाइड बाय रिपीटेड सब्ट्रैक्शन, तो हमें इस तरीके से करके दिखाना है. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ इन बी पार्ट इट इज गिवन 16 divided by 4 is equal to dash. So here beta we have to subtract 4 from 16. Okay, because we have to do division by repeated subtraction. Okay, so we will write here 16 minus 4. Okay, so now we have to keep 16 in our mind and 4 on your fingers. Okay, so let's start backward counting. 15, 14, 13, 12. So we will write 12 here in this column. Okay, now we have to write 12 here and we have to subtract 4 from 12. So we will write 12 minus 4. Okay, and that is equal to dash. So keep 12 in your mind and 4 on your fingers. Let's start backward counting. 11, 10, 9, 8. Okay, so now we will keep 8 here in this column and minus 4. So keep 8 in your mind and 4 on your fingers. Let's start backward counting again. 7, 6, 5, 4. So we'll write 4 here in this column. Okay, now we have to subtract 4 from 4 and that is equal to dash. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So we'll write 0 here. So how many times we have subtracted 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times. So we'll write 4 here in this column. Now in C part, it is given 8 divided by 2 is equal to dash. Okay, so here we have to subtract 2 from 8 first of all. So we will write 8 minus 2 here, and 8 minus 2 is equal to dash. So 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Now we have to subtract 2 from 6. So we will write here 6 minus 2 and that is equal to 4. Now we have to subtract 2 from 4. So we'll write 4 here and 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Now we have to subtract 2 from 2. So we'll write 2 here and 2 minus 2 is equal to dash and that is equal to 0. So beta, how many times we have subtracted 2? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. So our answer is 4. So we'll write 4 here. Okay. And 2 की टेबल में बेटा 8 कौन से नंबर पे आता है? 4th नंबर पे आता है. Understood? Now in D part, it is given 18 divided by 6 is equal to dash. So here beta, we have to subtract 6 from 18 first of all. So we'll write here 18 minus 6. So keep 18 in your mind and 6 on your fingers. Let's start backward counting. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. So we'll write 12 here. Okay. Now we have to subtract 6 from 12. So write 12 here. 12 minus 6 is equal to dash. So keep 12 in your mind and 6 on your fingers. Let's start backward counting. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So we write 6 here. Now we have to subtract 6 from 6. So 6, here we will write 6 minus 6, and that is equal to 0. So how many times we have subtracted 6? 1, 2, 3. We have subtracted 3 times 6 to get 0. Okay. So we'll write 3 here. तो आपको समझ में आ गया बेटा कि कैसे हमें क्या करना है. जो नंबर हमें डिवाइडेड बाय के बाद में दिया हुआ है वो नंबर हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करते रहना है, तब तक सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है जब तक 0 नहीं आता. ओके. This is called division by repeated subtraction. Okay. Now the next is in E part. It is given 35 divided by 7 is equal to dash. So here we have to subtract 7 from 35. So 35 minus 7. Keep 35 in your mind and 7 on your fingers. Let's start backward counting. 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28. So we'll write 28 here. Okay. Now we have to subtract 7 from 28. So we'll write 28 here and we have to write minus 7 here. So keep 28 in your mind and 7 on your fingers. Let's start backward counting. 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. So we'll write 21 here. Okay, now we have to subtract 7 from this 21. Okay, so 21 minus 7 is equal to dash. So keep 21 in your mind and 7 on your fingers. Let's start backward counting again. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. So we will write 14 here. Now 14 minus 7. So we'll write 14 here and minus 7 is equal to dash. So keep 14 in your mind and 7 on your fingers. Let's start backward counting. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So we'll write 7 here. Now 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay. So we'll write 0 here. Okay, beta. Now how many times we have subtracted 7? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times we have subtracted 7. So we'll write 5 here. Okay. Now today's homework. Divide the following sums by repeated subtraction. So beta, today you have to do these sums by repeated subtraction. First of all, you have to make 2 lines format. Okay. Proper 2 lines format. Then you have to write day, date, okay, and HW. Then you have to solve these sums by repeated subtraction. So in first question, in A part it is given divide 30 by 6. Okay. In B part divide 12 by 4. In C part divide 32 by 8. In D part divide 15 by 3. Okay बेटा, आपने इसको डायरेक्ट नहीं करना है सॉल्व. यू हैव टू डू इट बाय रिपीटेड सब्ट्रैक्शन. जैसे मैम ने आज सिखाया है उसी तरह से आपने रिपीट करते हुए सब्ट्रैक्शन रिपीट करते हुए इन सम्स को करना है. ओके. नाउ चैप्टर नंबर 2 डिवीजन, होमवर्क सॉल्यूशन ऑफ लेक्चर नंबर 1. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. मैम ने आपको बेटा फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स दिए थे. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस those fill in the blanks. So in A part it is given 20 divided by 4 is equal to dash. So here we have to speak the table of 4. वो नंबर जो divided by के बाद में दिया होता है बेटा, हमें उसकी टेबल बोलनी होती है. So let's start speaking table of 4. और 4 की टेबल हम कहाँ तक बोलेंगे? जब तक हमारे पास 20 नहीं आता. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. So we will write 5 here. 5 fifth number पे हमारे पास आया बेटा 20, तो हम यहाँ पर लिखेंगे 5. Okay. Now in B part, it is given 18 divided by 3 is equal to dash. So here we have to speak the table of 3. So let's start. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. So कौन से नंबर पे 18 आया बेटा? That is of number 6. We will write 6 here. Okay. Now in C part, it is given 30 divided by 6 is equal to dash. So here we have to speak the table of 6. So let's start. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. So कौन से नंबर पे आया बेटा? 5 number पे. So 5 is our answer. So we write 5 here. Okay. Now in D part, it is given 24 divided by 8 is equal to dash. So here we have to speak the table of 8. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. So number 3 पे आ गया 24. So here 3 is our answer. Okay. Now in E part, divide 20 by 5 is equal to dash. तो यहाँ पर बेटा हमें किसकी टेबल बोलनी है? 5 की. So let's start counting table of 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. So we will write 4 here. Okay. Now in F part, it is given divide 16 by 8. So here we have to speak the table of 8. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. तो कौन से नंबर पे आ गया बेटा? 2 नंबर पे. So in this way we can do our fill in the blanks. Okay beta? Thank you.